Flood insurance, a type of catastrophe insurance. A flood insurance policy is different from the basic hazard insurance coverage contained in a homeowner's insurance policy. Flood insurance policies are available for all homes and commercial property. Standard homeowners insurance cover interior water damage due to the factor like storm or burst pipe. However, it generally doesn't cover the destruction or damage caused by the flood water. Property owners who live in an area prone to the flood usually need to get special insurance. Flood insurance basically works like the insurance product. The insured pays an annual premium based on the property flood risk and the deductible they choose. If the property or its content are damaged by um, or destroyed by flooding caused by an external event like rain, snow, storm, collapsed or failed infrastructure, the homeowner is covered. They receive the cash for the amount of money required to repair the damage and rebuild the structure up to the policy limit. Unlike a standard homeowner policy, flood insurance requires a policyholder buy separate policy to cover a dwelling and its content. Flood insurance is required coverage for a federally backed mortgage of a properly in a federally designed flood zone, an area that is high risk of flooding due to the heavy rain, flash flooding, and mud flows. The National Flood Insurance Program, managed by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, offers flood insurance to homeowners in the participating communities and those in the NFIP designed floodplains. The actual insurance policy are issued by the private insurance company, not by NFIP or FEMA. The Federal Emergency Management Agency update map of the flood zone in the US, the areas that are the mostly likely to experience flooding. The FEMA updates the zone as they change along with the new and intensifying weather patterns. The zones are broken up into the subsections for rating purpose. Properties that are located in the zone B, C, and X run the moderate to low risk of flooding. A low risk means that less than 1% chance of the annual flood. So, properties that are located in a zone designed with a consideration the high risk, they are broken down further with the description for potential flood water heights and estimated rate of occurrence over the course of a 30 years mortgage. Properties that receive a designation are similar to the ones zone located in IE. There are high risk areas that are positioned along the coast. Some homeowner may be a zone D, which indicate the determination yet to made for area. Flood zone map are under continuous revenue to accommodate changes whether the patrons and artificial changes to the environment such as dams and leaves. So you can find your flooded zone by visiting floodsmart.gov and checking a property address against the flood map service. The cost of the flood insurance. The NFIP regulates the pricing of a flood insurance policy, and the cost will not differ between the issuers. If you live in a flood zone or NFIP participating community, They can help you find your insurance agent. To determine your policy cost, your agent will look at a factor like the location and the structure of your home, including how near it is to the body of water and its aviation. Cost will also affect by the type of coverage you have selected, such as replacement of cost value versus actual cost value. Okay.